Roads in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for eastern Howard County, northeastern Tipton County.
Oh crap,
until
we're under
2 p.m.
this.
Eastern
Oh,
Standard
no.
Time. At 1:18 p.m. Eastern Standard Time,
Oh my God.
a severe thunderstorm.
Oh my God, we're getting a tornado.
Tornado was located near Windfall, or 9 miles southeast of Kokomo, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat.
Yeah.
The following impacts are expected.
Oh my God.
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Oh my God.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles.
I will be under this.
Tree damage is likely.
Oh my God.
This dangerous storm will be near Greentown around 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Take
I
cover
hear the
now.
sirens going off now too.
Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
Wow.
If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Indiana: Howard and Tipton,